there's just one last thing that I want to mention about triads, and that is that we get something called closed structure as well as open structure. So on the board I wrote our supertonic triad in F sharp minor in closed structure. So what it means is that the notes are as close as they can be together. But say for example I move the B up and my triad looks like this. So I've got G, and remember what I said, I still write the notes in the correct order because that's just a way of double checking that I don't make a mistake when I write down the notes. So I go G, B, D. So it's still my supertonic triad. It is still G sharp, B, D. Okay, it's still the exact same note, but now we just took the B and we moved it to the top. Okay, so it is still in root position, it's just that it's now written in open structure. Okay, and the same applies when it's written in inversion. So let's take the same triad and we put it in, say, first inversion. Okay, so I'm going to write G, B, oh, what am I doing? Sorry, I'm not thinking what I'm doing now. Let's just try that again. And I think I'm going to move it up an octave, just that the spacing is a bit better. So it's going to be G, B, D. Okay, and by G I mean G sharp. Okay, so G sharp, B, and D. So this is now in closed structure. So it means I can't move the notes any closer together. But if I actually take this and I put it in open structure, the easiest way would be we can just move the B down. But let's see, let's do G sharp, and then we have the B here, and we have the D over there. So the exact same notes, but it's just that the notes are further apart. You would be able to take some of the other triad notes and squeeze them in between. But in terms of figuring, it's still going to look like this. And remember, you always first indicate the quality of the triad, and then you indicate the position of the triad. So there you can see it's diminished and it's in first inversion. So you're not going to write it like this, for example. Okay, so please just be mindful of that. So that would be wrong. And that's basically it. So open structure and closed structure.